Imagine a vehicle that fuses the spirit of urban mobility with the freedom of camping. Introducing the 2025 Futuristic Three-Wheeled Camper Tricycle. Parked in a bright, minimalistic white showroom accented with lush green plants and the contrasting presence of a black ATV in the background, this trike is a bold declaration of design innovation and practical adventure. Its glossy white finish is immediately eye-catching, projecting a clean, futuristic vibe that perfectly suits its high-tech engineering. Subtle orange accents trace along the side, adding a refined but sporty detail that emphasizes the vehicle's streamlined silhouette. The aerodynamic body is sculpted to minimize drag while maximizing visual appeal. It's not merely transportation, it's a statement of intent for urban explorers seeking comfort, style, and efficiency in one package. At the front, aggressive LED headlights deliver piercing illumination and a modern aesthetic. These aren't just for show, they provide crisp, reliable visibility even on unlit country roads or in dense urban fog. The centerpiece is the large, curved windshield that wraps fluidly around the cab, providing panoramic visibility from the driver's seat. This design not only elevates the sense of openness inside but also contributes to the vehicle's dynamic, spaceship-like presence when viewed from outside. On the sides, you'll notice sliding style doors that offer both convenience and a futuristic appeal. Forget the hassle of swinging doors in tight city parking. These sliders open smoothly and elegantly, inviting you into a surprisingly spacious cabin. Large panoramic windows further reinforce the openness of the design, bathing the interior in natural light and offering unobstructed views of passing landscapes. It's the kind of environment that turns even a short commute or overnight trip into an immersive experience with the world outside. The wheel layout is one of the defining features of this tricycle. Up front, a single large wheel delivers responsive steering and an agile urban footprint. At the rear, two stylishly rimmed wheels provide stability and a planted stance, ensuring that even when fully loaded for a camping trip, the ride remains balanced and secure. The rims themselves are intricately designed, adding a subtle luxury detail that speaks to the care and precision put into the vehicle's engineering. Inside, though not visible in the showroom setting, the camper layout is designed for maximum utility in a compact footprint. Imagine fold-away sleeping space, integrated cabinetry, and modular storage solutions that make overnight or weekend trips effortless. Subtle built-in lighting, hidden power outlets for charging devices, and clever ventilation maintain comfort without clutter. This is a camper built for the city dweller who doesn't want to sacrifice the thrill of the outdoors. The showroom itself complements the trike's modernist ethos. Stark white walls and floor reflect light onto the vehicle's glossy finish, emphasizing every aerodynamic curve. Green plants bring a touch of organic contrast, while the black ATV in the background reminds visitors that adventure takes many forms. Yet it's clear the three-wheeled camper is the centerpiece here, a vision of future travel that balances sustainability, mobility, and comfort in a single, elegant package. Ultimately, this futuristic camper tricycle is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a compact urban escape pod designed for the modern explorer who values efficiency without sacrificing style. Whether weaving through city traffic, parking in tight urban spaces, or finding a quiet campsite just outside the city limits, it represents freedom reimagined for the 21st century. The future of personal travel is here, and it's wrapped in glossy white, accented with orange, and ready for adventure.